Good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to present a new video on pregnancy. In this video, we see in detail about pregnancy first trimester. Pregnancy occurs during reproductive period, that is 15 to 44 year of a woman. Pregnancy occurs when a sperm fertilizes an egg after Pregnancy occurs when a sperm fertilizes an egg after it's released from the ovary during ovulation. The fertilized egg then travels down into the uterus where implantation occurs. A successful implantation results in pregnancy. On average, a full-term pregnancy lasts about 40 weeks. गर्भावस्था से तात्पर्य उस अवस्था से है जिसमें किसी महिला के शरीर में भ्रूण का विकास हो जाता है या फिर जब किसी महिला के मासिक धर्म आना बंद हो जाता है तो उस स्थिति को गर्भावस्था या प्रेगनेंसी कहते हैं। अलग शब्दों में जिस अवस्था में कोई महिला गर्भवती होती है उसे गर्भावस्था कहते हैं। It is extremely uncommon before 12 years of age and after 50 years of age. Average duration of pregnancy is 252 days or 36 weeks plus minus 7 days. It may vary from 1 to 2 weeks extra. Pregnancy, also known as gestation, is the time during one or more offspring develop inside a woman. So, this is introduction about pregnancy. Pregnancy divided into three parts: first trimester, second trimester, and third trimester. पूरे 9 महीने 9 month pregnancy period divided into three parts, equally 3 months in each part. First trimester, that is first to 12 week, second trimester 13 to 14 week, and third trimester 25 to 36 week. In this figure, we see enlargement of abdomen during pregnancy according to trimester in first trimester, second trimester, and third trimester. Enlargement of abdomen is minimum in first trimester and maximum enlargement of abdomen we see in third trimester. According to increased size of the fetus, enlargement in abdomen also present. So enlargement of abdomen depends upon the enlargement of the fetus. It may be in single or in twin pregnancy. It depends upon number of fetus. First trimester, pregnancy of first to 12 weeks. In this trimester or first trimester, we see symptoms, sign, and other component related with first trimester. So, how we diagnose a case or how understand this is case of pregnancy. So, first symptoms is amenorrhea from certain days or period or month. So, amenorrhea, morning sickness, change of disposition, salivation, cotton spitting, frequency of micturition, feeling of fullness in breast. These are the symptoms. And in sign, first we see in change in breast, size increased, prominent veins, Montgomery's tubercle enlarged, formation of secondary areola. This is diagram of the Heger sign during pregnancy. With the help of Heger sign, we identify or try to observe the size of the fetus. So, if pregnancy occur, then Heger sign will be positive. Changes in vulva. Vulva congested, vagina bluish discoloration, cervix bluish discoloration, soft with mucoid discharge. In uterus, in form, increase in size from pear shape to rounded shape. In consistency, isthmus becomes soft and has Heger sign positive. In position, normal anteverted antiflex, it becomes more anteverted and antiflexed. Investigation, Gravindex test positive, CBC, blood group of both partner. If any abnormality we found in blood like low hemoglobin, then diet supplement according to condition and occupation of patient, we try to increase in the form of supplementation. Complication in first trimester. First trimester problem, when to call your doctor. Vaginal bleeding, excessive nausea and vomiting, high fever, vaginal discharge and itching, pain or burning during urination, leg or calf pain or swelling on both sides, severe headache, failure of chronic diseases. These are the conditions when medical help required. Psychological change in first trimester. What are the different psychological changes or mood changes occurs in pregnant woman? Anxiety, sudden emotional swings, fear of abortions. Development and precautions during first trimester. Number 1, stage of organogenesis. Organogenesis means development of organ. When all the major organs are laid down and starts functioning, most susceptible to adverse effects of teratogens. Avoid all elective care but provide care as needed. Sexual activity during first trimester. Avoid in first trimester. Contraindicated in history of spontaneous miscarriage, ruptured membranes, placenta previa, and vaginal supporting. Clothing during pregnancy: loose and comfortable, low heel shoes. Exercise 3 times weekly for 30 minutes. Walking or swimming is best. Extreme exercise leads to low birth weight. Sleep in first trimester 8 hours, then 8 to 2 hours, means 8 hours in night and 2 hours in day. Position is Sims position with top leg forward. Avoid resting on back. Do not bend knee. Avoid travel by jerky vehicles. Take drugs for motion sickness only with prescription. In long journey, walk a short distance every hourly. Bottom strap of seat belt should be below the abdomen. Live vaccines are contraindicated. Employment: discontinue hazardous occupation. OT staff, prolonged standing. Avoid interference with adequate sleep and nutrition. Nutrition: well balanced, small and frequent, rich in iron and folic acid, rich fiber, 20 glass fluid, 2500 kilocalorie plus 72 gram of protein. Intake of protein is 1.2 gram per kg weight during pregnancy. During pregnancy, avoid caffeine, artificial sweeteners, weight reduction diet, fasting, skipping of meals. Protein. Requirement of protein during pregnancy: for growth of fetus, placenta and accessory tissue, animal protein and vegetable protein may be. Fat, important source of energy, provide fat soluble vitamins needed for surfactant production, central nervous system, cell membranes development. Animal fat and vegetable fats. Carbohydrates is important source of energy. In minerals, calcium and phosphorus. Formation of teeth and skeleton of fetus. Prevents maternal osteoporosis. Iodine is required for formation of thyroxine, function of thyroid gland. Source of iodine is seafood and iodized salt. Fiber prevents constipation, lower cholesterol, may remove carcinogens from intestine. Management of minor disorder or illness during pregnancy, in which backache, pain in lumbar region, backache. Causes are lumbar lordosis, lax abdominal muscles. Management: shoes with low to moderate heels, warm application, lift objects holding them close to the body, squat to pick up objects. constipation, cause progesterone, weight of fetus, oral iron, low fiber and fluid, more tea and coffee, no exercise. Treatment of constipation, bowel retraining, correct poor habit and painful lesion, brisk walking after a hot drink, regular time for toileting, dietary reformation, increase fiber and fluid intake, reduce tea and coffee. Muscle cramp causes low calcium in diet, high phosphorus, interference with circulation, frequent urination, causes pressure of uterus by fetal head, polyuria, bladder mucosa congestion, management, reduce caffeine, rule out UTI. In pregnancy, for management of common illness, homeopathic medicine, Aconite, China, Ipecac, Natramphos, Magphos, Calcareaphos, Ferramphos, Nux vomica. Other medicine also used according to complications or requirement. Aconite for fear, China for hemoglobin improvement, Ipecac for prevent vomiting tendency, Natramphos in acidity, Magphos for cramp in leg, Calcareaphos, Ferramphos for calcium and iron supplement, Nux vomica for prevention of the constipation. Medicine taken in any condition required prescription of registered and experienced physician. Self-medication will be harmful. Along with diet management and our other activity depends upon pregnant ladies or expectant mothers' age, occupation and body build. Certain requirement may be changed in first trimester or in second trimester. Also, diet supplementation depends upon diet habit, vegetarian or non-vegetarian. So, this is about the pregnancy and first trimester. In next video, we try to present about second trimester. If you like this video, you like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and give comment. Thank you.